Y'all play drunk? Let's get it.
Move fast and kill faster.
Guys, I've never played this game before, but I'm super drunk, so we're just gonna go for it.
Loving it.
How do you shoot? How do you fire the gun?
He's crouched. He's missing there.
Oh my god, three of them.
You stole. You steal.
I got 1.5 of them. Hell yeah, dude, dog.
A 7 sniper available.
He's up top, just sitting there.
I know. I tried Dave. Oh, nice.
They got sniped. I guess I'm giving myself away. This is my first time.
Energy sword inbound.
Two in temple at least, up top.
Energy sword available.
I'll fuck with it.
Do this for Sonny boy. Where's that shock rifle at? Shock rifle up.
Over there, temple. Two.
Dude, they're blending in with this. I got. Damn.
Woo, bitch. Ah, shit. I only got one of them, and they got sword now.
And they got my
Two mid, two mid. Three mid. Hey, maybe we should try to stay together like they do, huh? Alright.
Make those bullets stay, Spark.
Target spotted.
Ah, one more. Fuck.
Just doing my best not to imagine how that felt. Overshield available.
Alright, alright.
I got snipe. Oh, he was
He's
here.
right there mid.
Gain the lead. Killing
Got him.
spree.
Nice.
Double kill.
And here I was thinking we were done.
I'm pushing towards you.
Oh man. Oh, you're gonna get in close now, aren't you?
After get this bad boy. Oh, he's behind me. Behind me.
Whoa, that thing
No.
is dangerous.
Oh, he's on my edge.
Damn.
He got sword now. And shot.
Three all together by shield by sword. One went mid. One grabbed sword.
Target spotted.
He said, "Ow." Said, "I'm still alive, bitches."
Lost the lead.
I got you. Oh, just
Got two and two behind me. Didn't know that. 9 and 4. T-Dog, keep it up. One mid, hurt. One up there, hurt.
I'm grabbing. Oh, let me here.
That 7 sniper inbound.
I want to play a game only pistols, and I'd fucking wreck people.
Alright, snipe.
Oh!
7 sniper available.
Our sale. Double kill.
Never stop believing,
Shock rifle.
Spartan.
Help.
Enemy there.
I need help. Need help. Need help.
Energy sword inbound.
Shock rifle and sniper.
Hey, yeah, bro. I'm about to die. I need a minute.
Energy sword available. Shield available.
Behind us,
That was
behind
that
us.
sidearm.
Gain the lead.
Teamwork.
Bruh, how did I survive that? Overshield, overshield. They got it, they got it, they got it. Two on overshield. Hey.
I'm kicking her ass. You got sniped over right in front of you, bro.
Yeah, well, I got two people on me, so I'm not fucking with it.
Sword. So you know he's behind you, face.
This gun is really dangerous, isn't it?
Oh,
Wait.
bruh. My nerves are so tight right now. buddy.
Hell of a job, Spartan.
Killing spree.
Target spotted.
Fuck out of right now. What a nade. Lucky fucking nade, dude.
I don't want to upset you, but I think he was aiming for me.
Alright.
Bro, they're all up top mid. Now moving towards sword.
They got sword.
Bro, I'm just crouching, waiting for them to walk around. I got shot. I'm just waiting on their ass. Just like that. Got him, dog. Now come back. You saw me shoot. Come back out now. Overshield and 10. They about to hop on it.
Alright.
Overshield inbound.
One on hollow tree. 3 seconds on shield. He's about to drop on it right now.
Overshield available.
Yeah, bitch. Call that the bait switch, bitch.
The bait switch, bitch.
Oh yeah, son.
He just inherited that hernia. What do you call it?
Yeah, he inherited the hernia. Yeah. From that brutal ass rape.
They got
S7
tight.
sniper.
2 high
available.
temple, 1 mid. 1 mid right now.
In my sights.
I hit him with a grenade.
Oh yeah, I got his ass. Don't worry. I got some first ass.
He got the guy.
I'm
Make
pushing
those
temple. Let's push
bullets
temple
sing,
right by you.
Spartan.
Shit. I'm pushing up here.
Oh, sword. Don't push. They got sword. They got sword up there just chilling. Don't push. Sword and sniper combo. Now he's sniping.
Which way? Where at?
Temple.
5 minutes remaining.
He saw me coming, pulled out sword, and then he just went right back to sniping.
Target spotted.
Like, that's where the type spawns you talking about? Is that where temple is? Oh, okay.
Energy
Yeah,
sword inbound.
right there. That's temple.
Alright. Oh, you both.
In my sights.
I scared him. Oh.
Energy sword available.
Nice.
Double kill.
Doing pretty good, huh?
One shot.
Bruh.
Overshield inbound.
Doors up again.
Target spotted. Enemy there.
Overshield
He's on
available.
overshield.
Enemy team nearing victory.
Ran in there.
Lost the lead.
Sword. Sword right fucking there.
Doing my best not to. Actually, not that
Him.
bad.
He's the one that had sword. The one that just roasted your ass. That sword.
I had sword too.
Yeah, I know, but that sword sniper combo, dog. Overshield on temple, bottom floor. How'd you out? Dog, that was awesome. 2 and 10, 1 and 13. I mean, these guys, man.
Suck ass, bro. This is what on YouTube, bro. Most of the motherfuckers get me exposed.
Target spotted.
Good old-fashioned takedown.
Asshole, you can't suck that bad. You cannot. You can't try and suck that hard. No fucking way. Second game in a row.
S7 sniper inbound.
You're pissing me off, bro. Fuck
Temple.
Shooting, Spartan. S7 sniper available.
S7 sniper here.
Make those bullets sing, Spartan.
2 on sword.
Triple kill. I mean, I'm fucking you.
Double kill. Gained the lead.
Fuck, get him, get him, get him. Oh, we're gonna win. Nobody fucking die. Not one person. Hide if you have to.
I mean, you know they're gonna fucking die, dog. He's right here, bro. Get his ass.
Got him, got him.
Fuck
yeah.
you, Diamond Z and Smoking Egg, you motherfuckers.
Can we just like select?
Fucking tired of these motherfucking shitty teammates. Still doing this shit. I'm So we gotta ban these. We gotta start blocking them. I don't understand that shit.
You can do that.
Yeah, I'm doing it, bro. I'm gonna fucking look at my damage, dog. 8,500 damage. I mean, I had to fucking come that strong to win that game.